It's another busy weekend at the shop, and today it's going to be a hot one.
Let's go.
This morning at Nick's garage, they're rolling out the 68 Hemi Charger and getting ready to strap it to the truck for a trip to the body shop. Nick pulled the 426 Hemi out of the car and rebuilt it for John from Australia, and now the body is on its way for a refresh.
Okay, we got the 68 Charger on the flatbed to ship to the body shop. 68 Hemi Charger is off to the body shop to get painted for John from Australia, which is going to be shipped to him the moment it's done. So I kept the engine here, and we're going to install it after it comes back when it's painted. John, it's under construction. Here it is, a real 68 Hemi Charger. Well, it's off to the body shop, and when it's done, it's going to come back here. We'll put the Hemi back in, get it running, and then ship it to Australia.
Inside the shop, the Charger's engine is still in the dyno room. The bad news is that the dyno still isn't up and running. All of Nick's troubleshooting is getting him nowhere. And he's got other builds that are going to need testing soon. But right now, he's trying to get in touch with a specialist from down in NASCAR country who might be able to come up to the shop and give Nick a hand.
There we go. Maybe we might have somebody fly in and see what's wrong with our dyno. Before I buy another one, he says maybe he might be able to fix it. So I'm going to give him a call, and I believe he's in North Carolina. Pay his ticket, tell him to come over here, take a look at my dyno, see if he can fix it before I go out and buy another one for a lot of money. So I'm going to give him a call this afternoon and see if he can fix it, or if he can come by and see if he can help us out with it.
Turn up. Let's go.
With the Charger out for paint, there's room in the shop for Joe to return with his 66 Satellite project. we watched Nick rebuild a 1966 Hemi with matching carbs and install it into this car a while back. All the new power under the hood requires a stout rear end, and Joe has brought in a posse for installation today.
Our 66 Satellite just came in, the one we just installed the Hemi in it this past winter. Back here after the body shop, I've done the undercarriage, and we're going to look at the carburetors, but it seems to be running very good, and it's not idling. So now we're going to take a look at that and take care of it, and we also want to install a policy traction on this 834 in the rear end. Just take a look, see if they're shooting gas.
Do it. No gas.
Although the gauge doesn't work very well. I'm going out making a user.
Since the last time we saw the Satellite, it's had a lot of work done to the undercarriage. Slowly but surely, this old convertible is getting a new start in life.
It's survived. Beautiful.
It's survived, yeah. Tell me what you think, Nick. Don't hold back.
This is touching here.
You shot it all black.
That's like what that was here.
I thought you were doing body color.
You know how he did this? No lift.
No lift, it's
That's
hard.
the problem.
Very hard.
Nick's eye for detail helps his customers get their builds done right.
You did the springs too?
I got a little spring, yeah.
Oh, you did, eh?
Yeah.
You're gonna have to slice these off. This you're gonna slice them off. It should not be that long.
Really?
Yeah, really.
And he's always happy to help an old Plymouth get one step closer to the finish line.
Nice. Well, listen, for what
Oh,
about
it came
before?
along. Wow.
Listen, it was pretty rough before, but you know what?
And nowhere near what the other guy
It
wanted.
looks a lot better than it is.
Nowhere
than it
near.
was.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Where's the positive traction?
It's in the trunk.
And the semi unit? You want me to replace the semi unit? It's in the trunk too?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, here's another job. We'll leave it on the lift.
And I need it for it to run smooth.
Yeah. I'm gonna take out the plugs and then I'll take it from there.
I think it's just bad gas in it because it was running great till we put gas in it.
Okay.
Let's get that posi traction in the pumpkin.
Stuff. There we go. Touchdown.
Atta boy.
Yeah, 391 ratio. You can have a good acceleration.
Some folks come here for basic maintenance, to keep rolling for another summer. Some drop by just to say hi and see what's going on in the shop. And others come for complete rebuilds, making their classics better than new. No matter the reason, everyone finds what they're looking for at Nick's Garage.